where curiosity meets opportunity and dreams are shaped into discoveries. Welcome to STEMSkills Institute, Nadan branch, a place where learning transforms into purpose. Our mission is simple: to empower young minds with scientific exposure, global perspectives, and hands-on research experiences. At STEMSkills, we prepare students not just for exams, but for the future. From seminars and advanced workshops to university visits, medical lab exposure, and international conferences, 2025 was a year of breakthroughs for our students. In April, students interacted with international AI expert engineer Shamil Kuzlov from Russia, learning how artificial intelligence detects defective X-ray images, a glimpse into the future of healthcare. Next, Dr. Suresh Venkat introduced them to computational problem-solving in physics and chemistry, showing how modern science blends logic with technology. From green hydrogen to future energy research, students explored government-backed innovations with Dr. Gopichand from Indian Oil. And to complete the series, Dr. Sitansh Sharma opened the world of biosensing and material science before them. A major milestone was the educational tour to Lovely Professional University, where 60 students explored advanced labs, innovations, and real career pathways. 10 students were selected for a week-long research internship, living on campus, working in over 10 specialized labs, and experiencing university life firsthand. For many, this was a life-changing moment. At PGI Chandigarh, selected students received hands-on exposure to biomedical procedures, learning how real healthcare research takes shape. Visits to Punjab University further strengthened their foundation in biological sciences, especially for medical aspirants. In collaboration with IIT Ropar, our students learned the fundamentals of AI and machine learning, turning curiosity into skill. They also explored computational drug designing, a field powering breakthroughs in modern medicine. Their words reflect the change: a shift from classroom learning to real-world exploration. Science Fair 1.0 brought together over 200 students from 3 schools, featuring 19 presentations and 40 live project demonstrations. It wasn't just an event, it was a celebration of innovation. 5 students qualified to present their work at the BioInnovate 2025 International Conference at LPU, interacting with senior academic leaders and researchers. In just 8 months, 4 seminars, 4 academic visits, 2 advanced workshops, 2 major fairs, and countless learning hours, impacting over 50+ students of Nadan branch. This journey has transformed how students think, work, and dream, from passive learning to active problem-solving. STEMSkills Institute Nadan branch is not just teaching STEM. We are shaping tomorrow's innovators, one young mind at a time. STEMSkills Institute. Learn, explore, innovate.